Our skin at any age and in any weather requires the utmost care to prevent and cure different skin problems. Although going for facials or regular cleanups can be a bit heavy on the pocket, you can try these things out in the comfort of your own home and bring a healthy glow to your skin. If you're someone who doesn't want to go through all the trouble and still longs for that healthy glowing skin, then choose products that give you the best results without having to do too much. To begin your cleanse, take a cotton pad soaked in makeup remover and remove all the makeup, dirt and sweat from your face. This will drive out all the impurities from within clogged pores, preventing new blackheads, acne and more. Next, use a cleanser that cleanses while hydrating the face at the same time. Like Nivea's Milk Delights Face Wash with moisturizing honey. Wet your face with water, pour some onto your palms and foam the cleanser. Distribute it evenly on your face using your fingertips. Wash it off with lukewarm water. Honey has hydrating properties and when mixed with milk, moisturizes the skin all day long, making it feel fresh, alive and healthy. Heat or steam is known to be excellent for skin as it helps open up the pores, which makes the cleansing process more effective. You can use a store-bought face steamer or boil water in a pot. If you're using a steamer, wait for the water to heat and then cover your head with a towel. Make sure that it covers either sides of your face so that the steam only concentrates on your skin. Place your face close enough to the steam but not so close that it feels like your skin is burning. Continue this for 10 minutes. This steam helps cleanse the pores from deep within. After steam, take a blackhead removing tool and scrape off the blackheads and whiteheads from your nose, forehead, chin, or wherever you feel the need to extract. Make sure to use the tool immediately or else the pores will tighten if left to cool down. Now your face is squeaky clean and ready for the next step. Next comes exfoliation or scrubbing, which is a crucial step in keeping skin healthy and clear. Apart from being an excellent cleanser, milk is an excellent exfoliator as well when mixed with other ingredients. To prepare this simple scrub, mix half a cup of milk to 3 tablespoons of oatmeal and make a smooth paste. Apply it evenly all over your face and massage it in circular motions. After 15 minutes, rinse the paste with lukewarm water. The lactic acid in milk removes dead skin cells and the fat moisturizes your skin, reduces wrinkles and boosts collagen, whereas oats have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that heal, moisturize and soothe the skin for some much-needed relief. A simple homemade face mask can transform your skin, and after all, that's what dreams are made of. This wonderful face mask includes 2 tablespoons of gram flour, a pinch of turmeric and 2 tablespoons of milk. Mix the ingredients until you have a fine paste and apply it on your face. Leave it on for 15 minutes and then wash it off. This will brighten up your face as turmeric is the perfect ingredient to achieve this combination with milk and gram flour. The skin brightening, antimicrobial and soothing properties give you youthful, blemish-free and bright skin. Finish up your home face cleanup with a moisturizer that will hydrate the skin and lock in the goodness of your cleanup. Just dot the moisturizer, apply evenly all over your face and then gently tap your fingers along your forehead, cheek, chin and the rest of your face. This will help you relax while preventing aging and wrinkles and you will wake up with clear, smoother skin the next day. It is very important to do a proper face cleanup every 2 weeks. So learning to do it in just 5 simple steps at home not only saves time but also money. So kickstart your journey to beautiful, soft, healthy skin. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.